Health insurance coverage for mental health and substance use disorders, such as for opioid addiction, is critical to ensuring Pennsylvanians can get help when they need it. If a health insurance plan offers mental health and substance use disorder benefits, by law, the plan must offer the same level of benefits as it does for medical or surgical treatment. That's called parity. This means if a company wants to set limits on mental health services that are different from physical health services, they are limited in how much they can be different in terms of what you pay, co-pays, co-insurance, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums, how much treatment you can get, such as limits on the number of visits that are covered, the use of management tools, such as prior authorization requirements, which doctors you can see, including coverage for out-of-network providers, or the criteria and process the insurance company uses to determine what's medically necessary. Parity does not mean the services are treated the same, but parity does mean that companies' processes to make decisions about limitations can't be more stringent for mental health and substance use disorders than for medical and surgical services. It can be difficult to know if health insurance companies are treating mental health and substance use disorder services similar to services provided for physical health because the path to these services depends entirely on where a person gets their health insurance coverage. So it's important to first identify the type of health insurer you have. Most people get health insurance coverage from the following: a government program like Medicare, Medicaid, also called medical assistance, or CHIP, individual health insurance obtained directly from an insurance company or the federal health insurance marketplace, healthcare.gov, or from their employer. The Pennsylvania Insurance Department has created a series of videos to help consumers and advocates navigate coverage options and rights under the law. Each video explains access to mental health and substance use disorder services based on the most common forms of health insurance coverage, and where to turn if the services may not be achieving parity. Based on the health insurance options, watch the corresponding video to learn more about coverage for mental health and substance use disorder treatment. Consumers who don't think they fit into any of these categories or aren't sure what type of coverage they have can call the Pennsylvania Insurance Department at 1-877-881-6388 for help.